Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. So guys, at first open your Play Store and search for the Sendit app, and you have to download this app, and you can see I have already downloaded it on my phone. Now go back and open this app. So first of all, you have to connect this app with your Snapchat. Then you will find a button here to connect it with your Snapchat. So once you will connect it here, you can create any question from here. And now you can simply click on the share button to share it on the Snapchat. And now click a picture, and then finally click on next, and that's how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.